Yes, student, let us take the topic to find the square root of a number using division method. This is the third method through which we're going to find the square root of a number. We have learned the finding the square root using the subtraction method, number second through prime factorization method, and this is the third method, that is division method. So you have to learn it carefully because it can be used in the higher classes also in the basic calculation work. So I am taking one of the number 2401, 2401. We have to find its square root. So it is a large number. So we're going to take the process of division method. So in the division method, what we have to do, we have to make these lines like this, and below this line, below the horizontal line, you have to write the number 2401. Now from the last digit, taking 2 to number, you have to make a pair of number. We have the pair of 0, 1, then pair of 2, 4. Now, from 1 to 9, let us write the square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Single digit number we are taking. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, and 9 square is 81. Now, in the starting we have the pair of number, that is 24. We have to find the perfect square number where we are identifying 24. So here we are observing that there is no such number. We don't have 24, so we're going to take the number less than 24. The number less than 24 is 16. So how it is formed? By multiplying 4 by 4. So we're going to take 4 over here. Out of the line 4 we have to write, and 1 4 at the top. So 4 into 4 will give 16. Again you have to repeat this 4. You have to write this 4 below the 4 that you have just written. Inside you have to do the subtraction, and outside you have to do the addition. So subtracting these two, we get 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Now the next pair we have 0 1. We're going to write the next pair 0 1. So we get the number 801. Now add both of them. 4 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. We have the addition of 4 and 4 equal to 8. Now we have to think what number should be taken by 8. The pair of number multiplying with which we get 801. So how we're going to identify? We have to check the perfect number whose last digit is 1. So we are observing 1 is in the square of 1, and 1 is in the square of 9. 1 is in the square of 9. So 1 in the square of 1 square is a very less number. So what we're going to do, we're going to reject it. We're going to take the higher number, that is 1's place digit 1 of 9. We're going to take 9. So we're going to write 9 over here and 1 9 over here. Now multiply 89 by 9. In the rough we are multiplying 89 by 9. 9 9 81, 1 8 carry. 9 8 72. 72 plus 8 will give 80. So taking 9 we get the number, required number 801. So when we subtract it, we'll get the remainder 0. Now no need to repeat the addition because we get the remainder 0. If we don't get the remainder 0, then we have to repeat the addition. So the number at the top that we get is the square root of the required number. So we can say that the square root of 2401 is 49. If you want to check it out, you can multiply 49 by 49, you will get 2401. So we are writing 49, then 49 multiply 9 into 9 81, 1 8 carry, 9 4 36, 9 4 36, adding all of them we get 6 and 6 12, 12 and 8 20, 0 to carry, 3 and 3 6, 7 8. So 80 we get 0, 8 carry, 4 4 16, 16 plus 8 will give 24. So we are observing when we multiply 49 into 49 we get 2401. So it means that the square root of 2401 is equal to 49. So through division method we can find, this is the division method, this is the process that you have to follow. and on the basis of this the number that you get at the top will be taken as the square root of the required number. Thank you.